Ever wondered what makes up everything around you? Let's crack open the periodic table. Element number 1, hydrogen. H, electronic configuration 1, atomics number 1, valency 1. Next, helium, He 2, atomics number 2, valency 0. Lithium, Li 2, 1, atomic number 3, valency 1, 2, 2, atomic number 4, valency 2. Boron B 2, 5, atomic number 5, valency 3. Carbon C2, 4, atomic number 6, valency 4. Nitrogen N2, 5, atomic number 7, valency 3. Oxygen O2, 6, atomic number 8, valency 2. Fluorine F2, 7, atomic number 9, valency 1. Neon Ni2, 8, atomic number 10, valency 0. Sodium Na2, 8, 1, atomic number 11, valency 1. Magnesium Ag 2, 8, 2, atomic number 12, valency 2. Aluminum Al 2, 8, 3, atomic number 13, valency 3. Silicon Si 4, atomic number 14, valency 4. Phosphorus P285, atomic number 15, valency 3. Sulfur S286, atomic number 16, valency 2. Chlorine Cl287, atomic number 17, valency 1. Argon R288, atomic number 18, valency 0. Potassium K2881, atomic number 19, valency 1. And finally, calcium K2882, atomic number 20, valency 2. Congrats! You just breezed through the first 20 elements of the periodic table. Keep this knowledge handy, future scientists.